Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see the upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 16th episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In this episode, we'll use and add Microsoft Form. To open the forms, click App Launcher, Forms, click New Form and add the form name, IT support request for example. To add field, click Add New and choose any of these options. Let's choose choice for now. Add a question, issue type. If you want to change this field, simply click on three dots and choose any of this option. For now, let's use drop down. Add the options like hardware, software, network, and other. To make this field required, you have to enable required. To add new field, click Add New. This time let's choose the text. Add description. Again, I want this to be required and a multi-line text, so choose long answer. Add another field, choice field. Add a question, priority, and add options like minor, major, and critical. This is required as well. So all of these forms are automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about saving them. To check the preview of this form, click Preview. This is the preview of how it should look on computer. If you click on mobile, it will show the preview of the mobile version. Click Back. If you want to apply the theme, click on Theme. There are lots of different themes over here. You can choose any, whichever you like. Finally, let's try to add this form in a page or a site. So click Collect Response. Then you can copy this link. But before that, you can see only people in this organization can respond. If you click over here, there are other options like anyone can respond or specific people in my organization can respond. If you choose this option, you have to add a name, group, or email address. For now, I will just choose only people in my organization can respond. So copy this link and open your page. For now, I will just add them in our company and staff presentation. Edit the page and let's add the form at the end of the page. So click plus icon, search form, choose Microsoft Form, choose add existing form and paste the link. Click OK and you should see a form. Great. Now let's check the settings of this form. So go back to IT support request, click three dots and setting. The first one is who can fill in this form. We got anyone can respond, only people in my organization can respond, and specific people in my organization can respond. Then we have additional option for responses, like we can set our own start date and end date to collect the response, and we can also customize the thank you message. For now, let's change the thank you message. We can say thank you for your submission. Then at last, we can get email notification of each response. If you click on three dot, we got multilingual, which means we can add additional language to this form. To do that, click Additional Language and choose any language over here. It is auto-saved. Now go back to the form, refresh the page. You should see a drop down on top right over here where you can select different language. If you select different language on the form, you can see the language has been changed. Now let's try to submit this form. So choose any issue type, add your description, and choose the priority. Click Submit. Over here, you can see your own custom thank you message, which is thank you for your submission. To view the response, go to IT support request, and in another tab, you can see there is one response. Click on them if you want to see response overview. If you want to check individual response, click View Results. And you can see individual response over here. If there is more than one response, feel free to click Next and Previous icon. Also, if you want to see all response in Excel sheet, click on Open in Excel. It will get downloaded and you can see all of the response over here. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on site permissions. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.